Online communications also need the 3 E's: energy, eye contact, and engagement. Now, energy is crucial. Think about how you would normally speak if you were really passionate about something. And you need to put that into all your online communications. Because talking to a camera, whether you are talking one-to-one or maybe you're talking one-to-many if you're presenting at an online conference, you've got to have passion for your topic. If you don't have passion and energy for your topic, why should your audience care? So you've got to give it energy, and that's going to be about the body language, make sure the audio is good so people can hear you clearly, and it's going to be about just the way you put yourself across, the language you choose, the animation you choose to use. So make sure that you've got energy. Eye contact, as I've already mentioned, make sure you keep eye contact with that camera. If your eyes start wandering around, people lose eye contact with you, and actually you start to look a bit shifty. If I start looking down, it's what people do when they're lying or they're unsure. Confidence is about making eye contact with the person you're talking to and holding it. And the last one's engagement. One of the issues around online communications is that our attention span on the whole tends to be shorter. So keep it short, sharp and punchy, and make it a conversation. Really, even a 30-minute keynote to camera is tough for an audience to watch. Make sure that within that you've got engagement. Use all the tools, use the polling, use the engagement tool, use whiteboards, all those sorts of things to give people something to do to engage. Make sure it's a conversation, it's a two-way process, and an audience will stay with you far more. If you're just talking at the camera for 30 minutes with nothing else for them to look at, those distractions are going to seem very tempting indeed.